get ready with me for date night. And I apologize about the sniffles and my voice. I'm recovering from a cold. Tonight we're going on a date at a museum. It's pretty casual, so I want to do a light makeup look. I already prepped my skin with my skincare routine and primer, and I'm going to try the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Skin Creme Foundation and Finishing Powder Duo for the first time. The reason I really wanted to try this product is because my friend Zach, who I always either get ready with or get ready at the same time as when we go out, told me that it feels like you're not wearing anything and it looks the most light skin out of all the products he's been using. I'm only going to do one side of my face just so we can tell the difference because it's super light coverage, but I think I already see it. I don't know how much you can tell on camera, but I can tell with the mirror right here. I have some redness like around my nose, on my cheeks, and around my eye. They're now completely covered on this side. It still looks super natural, but my skin tone is completely evened out. I think this is the product I've been looking for. I've always avoided complexion products just because I don't want to look cakey. I honestly just don't want to look like I'm wearing makeup when I put makeup on. I just don't want the little redness everywhere. I'm super excited for tonight's date. We're going to the Lighthouse in Los Angeles. If you're not familiar, it's a museum space that is super immersive. There's screens everywhere. The exhibits are usually video and audio at the same time. So it's like just a really trippy, beautiful experience. We already went on a date at this place to see the Van Gogh exhibit, I think last month, and it was the best. Yeah, I think I applied enough product. I also blended it in a little bit in my beard so that it doesn't look too weird and separate. Now I'm gonna try and go in with the setting powder with the other side of the brush. From the videos I usually see, I think people set under their eyes to make sure that it doesn't get oily. Now to bring back some colors, I'm going to do my usual trick and put blush a little bit on my cheeks and my nose to give me that little sunburnt look. My favorite blush from Patrick Ta Beauty was always She's So LA. It's this kind of dark brownish blush, but I just got the Major Headlines Blush Palette Volume 2, so I want to try some of these out. I'm going to go in very lightly with this shade. Just want to make sure that it doesn't look too crazy. Tonight's exhibit is the Deepak Chopra one. Chopra is an Indian-American author who's written a lot of books about meditation, self-care, and spirituality, and I'm sure the installation is going to look incredible. Because I can't resist, I'm just going to tap my finger on the She's So LA Creme one and add it just for a little bit of layering. And that's the finished look. No makeup, sun-kissed makeup look. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything, but my skin looks healthier, more even, and it doesn't look like I'm recovering from a cold. Wish me luck.